Samsung Galaxy S26 is poised to be the ideal smartphone that meets your needs without breaking the bank. The smartphone features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 1080x 2400 pixels resolution and a pixel density of 384 ppi, thus offering a fantastic display quality so that you can binge on your favorite movies, play high-graphic games, or browse the web. It will surely deliver an unparalleled viewing experience that will captivate you. Samsung Galaxy S26 is anticipated to run on the Android VR12 and features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Plus chipset that provides seamless multitasking capabilities and smooth performance even for the most demanding tasks. The triple rear camera setup includes a 108 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 32 megapixel and a single front camera of 8 megapixel that is expected to capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. The Samsung Galaxy S26 carries a terrific 5000 mAh Li polymer battery to help you be more productive. The device features the 12GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM. The Samsung Galaxy S26 is set to redefine the industry's standards, which sets a new benchmark for others to follow.